I'm Justin Edgar with Mercedes-Benz Downtown Calgary.
And I'm Mazen with Mercedes-Benz Downtown Calgary.
We're here today to discuss the differences between the E-Coupe and the E-Cabriolet. Last time, we compared the GLE, which is arguably one of the SUVs to the E-Class lineup, and the E-Wagon. Today, we get to discuss the dream cars, which is the E-Cabriolet and the E-Coupe.
I tend to be a coupe guy myself, so I'm going to actually be presenting the best arguments for why you would want to go with the coupe.
I'm definitely the E-Cabriolet.
We do have to face the facts that we do live here in Calgary, and we do have some challenges when it comes to cold climate.
But the fact is, with this particular vehicle, not only when you put the heated seats on, you get the warm comfort package, so it's going to heat the center armrest, it's going to heat the center console. You have air scarf, so you can actually have hot air blowing on your neck. And one of the best things about the Cabriolet is that you could actually drive and operate the roof up to 50 kilometers an hour. So if you feel that it's getting breezy, pull up to a red light, start to pull away when it hits green, put the roof up.
But it doesn't change the fact that you're going to be driving most of the time with the roof up. And if you're going to drive with the roof up most of the time, why would you want to mess with that perfect silhouette that the coupe offers? That gorgeous roof line, that sweeping roof line that sweeps perfectly into the trunk. Why would you want to mess with that? Especially when you get the added benefit of pillarless side glass. It is truly the best of both worlds, and the reality is that having the fixed roof means that you get to have a consistent style all the time. Now, my business partner here, on the other hand, does like to drop the roof. I find myself to be a bit of an exhibitionist with the roof down. I don't like everyone to see me on there. I like everyone to appreciate the beauty of the vehicle. My business partner, on the other hand, maybe wants people to see the beauty of himself.
It's a flashy car.
Also, for my business partner, one of the benefits he hasn't mentioned is that it does offer him a great tan. He's been spending a lot of time this summer in a convertible and driving an E400 Cabriolet, in fact, and look at that great tan. So if you are pigmentally challenged like my business partner, the E-Cabriolet is an ideal solution. However, the E-Class Coupe is really a timeless style that I feel is truly a shame to cut the roof off of.
They say partners start to look alike.
Well, if you're driving top down as often as you do, pretty soon you're going to be darker than me.
I made a promise to myself, the moment that they made the Cabriolet a 4MATIC, which they did these past years, I would make one a car for me to own. And now it is a 4MATIC, you can drive it year round with the roof up or down.
And that, everyone, is truly going to be the challenge that you're going to have when you look at these two gorgeous vehicles. Is previously the E-Class Cabriolet never was offered in a 4MATIC, only the coupe. And now you can get the identical vehicle in either a coupe or a Cabriolet. So really it's going to come down to your own personal preference. It's a tough choice, but really at the end of the day, you can't make a bad one in this scenario.
Thanks for watching.